Well, hey, fellow Velonauts. Welcome back to this edition of Adventures with Blaze. It's been a while since we've posted anything, and today's video is going to be a little different. We're going to do an unboxing video. I saw online where Ben Park with Northland Velo had come up with a 3D printed alignment tool and a 3D printed workstand. Workstand looked interesting to me because I figured I could keep it broke down, carry it in the back, and then if I had a oopsie on the road, I would be able to raise her up, take care of tires and whatnot. Probably won't use it too much in the shop because I've got a hydraulic lift there, but I thought that no more than what it was price-wise, that it would be a nice piece to have in the kit in case there was trouble on the road. So let me get the camera rearranged here, and then we are going to do an unboxing, and you're going to see it as I see it because I haven't even cut the tape yet. Well, here we go. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this all right. All right. Okay. Well, here's the pieces for the alignment tool. It looks like this got banged up a little bit. You can see how that was in there. I think it happened during the shipping, but we'll be able to fix that. And here's the pieces for the alignment tool. And here's the pieces for the workstand. Oh. Okay. Give me a minute here to get this crap all off the table, and we'll go on from there. Okay, now with everything out of the box, we got the two end pieces. This is for the alignment tool. Got the center piece and an end piece. A couple of joiner blocks. I'm not going to bother to put the screws in because I'm going to be taking this back apart. This little indexing piece slides on, gets a screw in there. And we get a screw in here to kind of lock that one down. And from watching it on video, put this up to the tire, this one locked, this one sliding, and then this little block here slides down and locks it in position, and you take it to the other end. And then they've got holes in these little joiner pieces for the software pack. I'll mess with that later. Move that out of the way. And now we got the little workbench thing. And got four pieces that all look like they fit together. like that. Okay, I see what it's doing. That goes like that. Goes like that. Like that. That's pretty nice. This is obviously one when you first take it out of the box, you're going to have to follow the 10% rule. Be 10% smarter than what it is. And that's going to be, this is going to work out great. I'll be able to take this out and use it in, throw it up under one side or under the butt, get a wheel up off the ground, and when it's disassembled, it's very, very compact, so it'll fit well in the in my tool bag that I carry with me. So if I have an issue on the road, I keep a cover in the trunk of the Quattro that if I have to lay it over completely on its side, I can do it. But I think with this, I won't have to do that. So, cool. Well, there you have it. Quick unboxing video. Gratitude to Ben for coming up with this and for stocking it for us in the U.S. in his U.S. store. Very cool. Well, hope you enjoyed this one. As always, leave your comments, concerns, likes, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. And just as a little teaser, there's going to be another video here shortly where, I don't know, a couple years ago I did a video on how I altered my trailer to fit the Velo in, and I didn't like that alteration, so I made a new alteration. And I'm going to go, I'll be doing a video showing you what I did on that one. So stand by for that. Until next time, bye for now.